چانسلر سر، اور آپ نے بالکل درست فرمایا کہ عمل سے زندگی بنتی ہے، جنت بھی جہنم بھی، یہ خاکی اپنی فطرت میں نہ نوری ہے نہ ناری. Ladies and gentlemen, now I invite Honorable Vice Chancellor to please come on the dais and request Honorable Chancellor to declare the proceedings of the 12th convocation closed.
Honorable Chancellor, اللہ ہماری بیٹیوں نے گولڈ میڈل اور سلور میڈل میں لڑکوں پہ آج بھی وہ سبقت جو ہے وہ لے رہی ہیں، تو میں دل کی گہرائیوں سے I want to congratulate my daughters who are studying in this university. اور میں اکثر یہ بات کہتا ہوں کہ علامہ اقبال جو کہ ہمارے بہت بڑے شاعر تھے، انہوں نے فرمایا تھا کہ محبت مجھے ان جوانوں سے ہے ستاروں پہ جو ڈھالتے ہیں کمند. لیکن اگلے 5-10 سالوں میں میرا خیال ہے کہ ہمیں اس میں بھی تھوڑی سی ترمیم کرنی پڑے گی کہ محبت ہمیں ان بیٹیوں سے ہے جو ستاروں پہ ڈھالتی ہیں کمند. تو ماشاءاللہ آئی ایم ویری پراؤڈ اینڈ وی آر اے نیشن وی شوڈ بی ویری پراؤڈ کہ our ماشاءاللہ young girls, our daughters, they are doing excellent job. اور دوسرا میں آپ سے یہ بھی شیئر کرنا چاہتا ہوں کہ جو ہماری لیڈیز جو ہیں وہ پولیس میں ہیں، ڈی ایم جی میں ہیں، فورن آفس میں بھی ہیں، تو وہاں بھی ماشاءاللہ ان کی پرفارمنس جو ہے وہ بہترین پرفارمنس جو ہے وہ کر رہی ہیں. اس پہ میں ان کو مبارکباد دیتا ہوں. I feel privileged to speak on the occasion of 12th convocation of University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore. First of all, as Chancellor, I am delighted to extend my warmest congratulations to our graduates and their families on this great achievement. I wish you success in your future career as we count it as our success. Youth being more than 60% of the population of Pakistan is our national asset. It is therefore our responsibility to provide you with opportunities of higher education and success in life. In this regard, we are doing our best to equip you with modern technology to compete with developed nations. Now it is your responsibility to make use of these opportunities and get prepared to lead this country in the coming years. I pay tribute to the faculty and parents of the students getting distinctions and degrees who are fortunate to reach this point. Now it is their responsibility to use their abilities to serve the country. Dear students, University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore has achieved significant success in the field of veterinary in academic as well as in research and allied sciences. It has taken the right direction under the able leadership of Professor Dr. Naseem Ahmed and his team. Congratulations, Vice Chancellor and your team for doing such a great job, and particularly during this very difficult and challenging time, COVID-19. I must appreciate the role and services of the University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences during the pandemic. Establishment of BSL-3 laboratory of COVID-19 testing is a true depiction of the university's focus on public health and community service. I have been told that this university is also working on the development of COVID vaccine, and I wish them success in this regard. Our country is struck with poverty, and education is the only tool that can help in poverty reduction by increasing an individual's productivity. Food insecurity, unhealthy environment, and livestock production are the areas of concern for our country. It is again heart-wrenching to share that 45% of the children are victims of stunted growth in Pakistan due to malnutrition. I think it's a big challenge for our government, and our Prime Minister Imran Khan is taking the lead to address this issue. I believe that livestock sector has the potential and can play a key role to ensure food security and poverty alleviation. I am confident that the UVAS scientists will make efforts to cope with the challenges of food insecurity and malnutrition. Academic research can move the country towards prosperity. and Pakistan has great potential in this sector, whereby we should try to increase the livestock production in order to feed our increasing population. And I believe that our Minister, Janab Direshak Saab and Jabuana Saab, are making their efforts to increase the production of livestock in our country and in Punjab. The government is taking steps for uplift of livestock sector and focusing on providing safe and healthy livestock products as well as environment until the title of clean and green Pakistan to our masses with exportable surplus. Bioenergy is also gaining importance during this era of global energy crisis. Our country has been gifted with tremendous natural resources. It is our duty to utilize them efficiently. Goals have been set for the universities throughout the province for production and use of solar energy and provision and conservation of drinking water, which is our priority. I have written to all public and private